Hi, this is Melissa from Mom's Plans, back for another review. This time we're reviewing the stop motion animation kit from Stopmotion Explosion. My reviewers were my two daughters, who started their own YouTube channel and wanted to include stop motions on their channel. The kit comes with the items shown, the camera, and two different booklets, and a CD to install the program. The booklet itself has all sorts of things that you would need to know to improve your stop motion, how movies work, animation, actors, cameras, lighting, composition, all those things that'll let you delve deeply into stop motion. And this booklet is the quick start guide, help you get the program installed. I'll be honest, the trickiest part of this whole program was downloading and installing everything. I'm not particularly tech savvy. I tried to install it on my own, but ran into problems, so my husband took over and he was able to install everything. For the actual review, I want to let you hear from my daughters, who absolutely love this product. Once you get the stop motion system installed, it's pretty easy to use. I think the manufacturer recommends this program for ages 14 and up, or younger with parental supervision. My daughters are 10 and 9, and they really didn't have much trouble using it. So they're going to explain to you how to use the system.
So first you plug in your camera, and then you should have this icon, and when you click on it, so once you click on that icon, you should have something like this, and you should go to options and camera source. Camera source is so then what you see comes out of this camera instead of your other camera on your computer. If your picture from the camera is a little blurry, you can twist the thing. This thing like
Dial
right at the front. So after that, you should probably, if you haven't already, find your characters so you can make a stop motion. After that, you might want to start your stop motion. So once you click start, wait, what? Oh, when you click start, the name pops up. So we're gonna title it Stephanie and her friends chase the dog. And then you should click save, and that's the name of your stop motion. I also got the first picture. Wait, what? I got the first picture. If you weren't ready for that, you can delete it right here. Okay. And start over. So I'm just gonna have mine sitting here. And I'll see you after we finish taking the photos. Now that we're done making our video, we're going to be showing you the video. To take the picture, you click this grab button, and yeah. If you don't like the picture, you can delete it like this, and if you want to see how it looks, you can play by clicking the play button. Yeah. I think, I don't remember, but I think this is to like increase the goodness of the video. The quality, that's what it is. And you can do this, but the lower it is, the slower the video, and the higher it is, the faster the video. So wanna find how? So how fast do you want the video to be? I don't know. I think it should be a little bit slower, but like they still have to run, so
maybe this is faster, right?
Yeah.
So the higher it is, the faster it is. So I think 24 maybe.
Okay, and then
Right.
you can just
So
see
then
how
you can-
faster. I think that might be a bit too fast.
Oh yeah, maybe it should stay at 15, right? So after you choose the light thing, you should get to your voice.
The voice.
Here's the very first stop motion that they did.
Okay, Mom. See you later, guys.
I was one of 48 people who reviewed this product. If you'd like to read more reviews, go to homeschoolreview.com. Disclaimer, I received a free copy of this product through the Homeschool Review crew in exchange for my honest review. I was not required to write a positive review, nor was I compensated in any other way. All opinions I have expressed are my own or those of my family. I'm disclosing this in accordance with FTC regulations.